Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen. Today we're going to be continuing with our chakra series and moving up to our throat chakra. This chakra is located in our throats and is the color blue. And this chakra is very important because it holds the balance between talking and listening. So today, to balance this chakra, we are going to be making a coconut blueberry smoothie. So let's get started. Today for our smoothie, I already have half a cup of ice in my blender, and then I also, this is optional, have coconut meat. This meat adds a really nice creaminess to the smoothie, but if you don't have a fresh coconut, feel free to not use it. So I'm going to be using all the meat of my coconut, and now I'm going to add in a cup and a half of my fresh coconut water. Next, onto our blueberries. I have half a cup of blueberries today, and I love blueberries because they are such a good superfood and they're full of antioxidants. So I'm going to toss those in. Next, I have half a cup of almond milk, or you can use really any milk of your choice. And now, one of our last ingredients is I have 1 date, which I've just chopped up into really small little pieces because dates do not like to get blended together, I've learned. So I will try to chop this up as small as possible. This last ingredient is optional, but I'm going to put it in today, and it's 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds or flaxseed oil. Now, all that's left to do is blend it together. All right. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Oh, it smells delicious. You can really smell the coconut and all the blueberries. Now I just want to drink it, and I need a glass for that, so I'll be right back. That's so good, and it's so nice with the actual coconut meat in it. For me, I love coconut meat, so it really is such an added treat, and the sweetness from the date is just perfect. This is probably one of my favorite smoothies so far of this chakra series, and I really hope you try it and let me know what you think in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching, and if you like this, keep watching because we are going to be heading up to our third eye chakra. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!